Good morning, dear students. Welcome to Iqra English School. I hope you all must be fine, dear. You know that this is your class 4th NCERT EVS book looking around, and today we are going to read the chapter number 25, Spicy Riddles. So, dear students, this is a spicy chapter. In this chapter, we are going to read about the different type of spices, and in this chapter, we will solve the many riddles related to the spices. This is the riddle number 1. I can be powdered fine to make food hot and spicy. If too much of me is added, I make you gasp. She. You, your eyes and nose begin to water and you cry. Think and tell me, who am I? Tell me quickly, who am I? So, of course, you are watching that this is. Which spice is this? This is a chili. And the chili is telling to us that when I am powdered and I added too much. If I am added too much with your food, then I make you gasp and you started to do she and your eyes and nose begin to water, and I make your food hot and spicy. You know that this is a plant of chili. That is this the plant of chili is not big. This is a small plant, and when the chili grow in the plant, it is green, and when it ripe, it begin red. And the red chili, when it dries up, it is grind into the powder, and you know that this is a chili that is grind into powder. Then it look like this, and you know that the green chili and the red chili powder both are used when we cook the food in our kitchen. This is the riddle number 2. Grind me and powder me to make your food look yellow. I am mixed in oil with granny and applied to wounds quickly. I heal all wounds, big and small. That is why I am loved by all. Think and tell me, who am I? Tell me quickly, who am I? So, of course, you are looking that this is turmeric, and this is turmeric powder. So, the turmeric is telling to us that I am yellow in color and I am mixed in oil by granny, and I am also used in applying on the wound of whether it is big or small. When I am applied on the wound, I make that wound heal. I heal that wound quickly. This is turmeric, and you know that this is a root part of a plant. When it grows under the soil, it look like this. When it cleans, it look like this, and when it dries up, it grinds into powder, and then it look like this. And this is also used in our food. You know, you have to say that when if there is any wound, then you can apply the turmeric mixed with hot oil on the affected area, and that heal the wound very quickly. This is the next riddle. Small and round like a pearl, I am black when I am whole. I can be powdered, coarse or fine, a sharp and spicy taste is mine. Whether it is salty or sweet, I am added as a special treat. Think and tell me, who am I, and tell me quickly, who am I. So, of course, you are watching that this is a black pepper. This is a black pepper, and what it is telling, I am black in color and I look like a pearl. And it is also telling that whether the food is salty or sweet, I am added as a special treat. You know that this is a plant of black pepper. It look like this in green color when it grows on the plant, but when it dries up, it look like this. Then when after drying, it is plucked from the plant, and then it look like this, and it is crushed into coarse or fine, and it is added or sprinkled on the food. The next riddle is, I am a small and skinny chap. Chap means friend. Sometimes I am brown and sometimes black. Added to hot oil and ghee, I spread my fragrance all around me. When I am roasted, curd and jaljeera are favorite to me. Think and tell me who am I. Tell me quickly who am I. So if this is telling you that I am skinny chap, and I am there are two colors of mine, that is brown and black, and it is also telling that when I added to hot oil and ghee, then I spread my fragrance all around. And this is used in curd and jaljeera. So what is this? This is cumin seed, or you can say jeera. This is a cumin seed or a jeera, and you know that this is a plant of cumin seed. It look like the coriander plant, and this is the fruit part of a plant. You know that this grows from the flowers. The the jeera is grow from the flower. This is the fruit part of a plant, and this is two in color, black and brown, and especially this is used in curd or raita and in jaljeera. This is the next riddle. It is telling I look like jeera though green am I make your stomach healthy. I always try. Eat me always after your meal. I refresh your mouth. You surely feel. Think and tell me who am I. Tell me quickly who am I. So what is this? This is telling that this spice is telling that I look like jeera, but I am green in color, and it is telling that I make your stomach healthy. And when you eat me after taking your meal, then I refresh your mouth. So what is this? This is fennel. This is fennel, or you can say saunf. This is green in color. This is also, its plant is also like the plant of cumin seed, or you can say the like the plant of coriander. And you are watching, what is this? This is the sweet fennel. And how it is made? This is sugar coated fennel. It is sweet and tasty, and and every nice, and it has a very nice smell. And when it chew it I felt our mouth very refresh. It make our mouth refresh. It That is why it is called a mouth freshener. The next riddle. I look like a nail, but a bud am I. Chocolate brown color, and a strong smell have I. When your toothache make you shout, I soothe the pain in your mouth. Think and tell me who am I. Tell me quickly who am I. You are watching that. This spice is look like a nail, but this is a bud. It is telling that I am a bud, and my color is like chocolate brown, and my smell is very strong. And it is also telling that if there is any toothache, then apply me on your affected place. Then I soothe your pain. You are watching that. This is a plant of this is a plant of this is called clove or long, and this is a bud part of a plant. When it grows on plant, it look like this. When it dries up, it is plucked from the flower, and it is told you that if there is any toothache, then apply the oil of clove on your on the affected place, then it soothe your pain. So dear friends, this I hope you like and understand the chapter. In this chapter, we learn about the different types of spices. We will meet in the next part of the chapter with the question answers. Till then, good day.